Howdy partner! Today I will bring you some information on some farm animals. Do you know that a cow gives nearly 200,000 glasses of milk in a lifetime? And do you know that some breeds of chicken can lay colored eggs? And chickens have over 200 distinct noises they can make for communicating. And do you know that pigs are considered the fourth most intelligent animal after chimpanzees, dolphins, and elephants? Well, what is your favorite farm animal? My favorite farm animal is definitely the horse, because we can ride the horse.